Are you a plant enthusiast looking for the best gardening apps to enhance your green thumb? Today, we're exploring 7 incredible apps that will cater to gardeners of all levels, from novices just starting out to seasoned pros. Stay tuned to discover these 7 incredible gardening apps. Kicking off our list is the PlantSnap app. This nifty tool is a digital botanist in your pocket. It identifies plants with a simple photo, gives care tips, and even sends you reminders. PlantSnap is perfect for those who need help identifying and caring for their plants. Next on our list is the Garden Answers app. This intelligent tool identifies plants, detects pests and diseases, and connects you with a vast gardening community. It's like having a master gardener in your pocket. Garden Answers is your go-to app for all your plant-related queries. Moving on, we have 3 more fantastic apps. Let's start with the My Garden app. This app is like a personal gardener in your pocket, helping you identify plants, offering care tips, and even reminding you when it's time to water or trim. Next up is the Smart Plant app. With its extensive plant database and monthly care notifications, it's like having a botany expert on speed dial. And lastly, we have the Gardeonize app. This app lets you store all your garden-related information in one place. You can track your plant's growth, log your watering schedule, and even save photos of your plants. These apps are sure to take your gardening experience to the next level. Last but not least, we have 2 more must-have gardening apps. Grow It is a community-driven app that lets you connect with other garden enthusiasts, share your plant photos, and get tips for your garden. The Garden Planner, on the other hand, helps you design your dream garden with its easy-to-use interface. With these apps, you're well-equipped to make your garden thrive. And remember, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Happy gardening!